let us start our meeting with a word of prayer. For this, I'll request Angel to lead us for the prayer.
Bow our heads in prayer. Lord God Almighty, thank you for this wonderful day that you have given us, Lord. Lord, be with us, guide us, and protect us, Lord, as we are here to start our farewell meeting. Lord, be with us till the end of this meeting. Lord, let this meeting done to be thy glory only, Lord. Lord, as we are here to bid us for the farewell, Lord, be with us, guide us for the future venture too, Lord. Lord, may your blessings shower upon us throughout the end of the meeting. We all ask this in the name of our Lord Almighty. Amen. Anshika, shall we begin?
Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience who has gathered here. I, Anshika, with my co-host Angel, welcome you all on the behalf of the whole global family on this virtual farewell. Thank you all for giving your prize time. But before the launch, let us all pray together for those souls who left us during the COVID situation, and especially our Sunita Tamboli ma'am. She will remain forever in our heart. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So let me start with our.
Wait, Anshika. Wait. I just wanted to ask कि that तुम्हें पता है कि अब हम कब मिले, या मुझे तो पता है कि वक्त आने पर मैं अपनी दोस्ती का फर्ज भी निभाऊंगी.
अरे पगली रुलाएगी क्या? अरे अभी अभी तो दोस्ती शुरू हुई है. वक्त आने पर हम दोस्ती का फर्ज भी निभाएंगे.
सच्ची अंशिका?
हाँ हाँ, एक दिन दिल पे पत्थर रख के आपको मेंटल हॉस्पिटल छोड़ के आएंगे.
जाने क्यों इतना याद आते हो आप, जाने क्यों दिल को इतना लुभाते हो आप. शायद आपसे प्यारा कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, इसलिए इतना भाव खाते हो आप.
How dare you say something like this for a beauty like me?
ओ ब्यूटी, आपकी ब्यूटी ने तो सारा जहां हिला दिया. कोमा से जगे पेशेंट को परमानेंट सुला दिया.
एंजल एंजल वेट, तारीफ के काबिल हम कहाँ, इस दुनिया में तो आपकी चलती है. तारीफ के काबिल हम कहाँ, इस दुनिया में तो आपकी ही चलती है. सब कुछ तो है आपके पास, बस एक सिंग और कुछ की कमी लगती है.
अरे एंजल अंशिका, ये सब छोड़ो, फिर टॉपिक पर आओ.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay. So now I'll request Angel to take over.
As we all know, smile is known as the universal welcome. I take this opportunity to welcome the gathering. A warm welcome to our manager, Reverend Idake George, the manager of Matuma Schools in the. On behalf of Matuma Public School, I take this opportunity to welcome you, Father. Welcome, Father. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to our senior principal, Reverend Nana. Your presence makes us happy. On behalf of Matuma Public School, I take this opportunity to welcome you, Father. Welcome, Father. Achie welcome to our principal ma'am, who was there as till the 14 years of our school journey. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. It's gratifying to look around and see so many pleasing faces. Of course, it's of our respected teachers only. I take this opportunity to welcome all of our respected teachers. Welcome, teachers. The flags are flying, the balloons are ready to fly. It's a day and the day we have been eagerly waiting for. जिस दिन का हमें 10 सालों से इंतजार था, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन थी और क्या रियलिटी है. A huge welcome to all my colleagues. We are going to have an enjoyable time together. यादों की फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे, यादों की फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे. हम तो जा रहे हैं स्कूल छोड़ के, बट हमें जूनियर्स बहुत याद आएंगे. A hearty welcome to all our juniors. We all are thrilled to see you here. Welcome all. Sorry if I didn't mention or welcome anyone. I take this opportunity to welcome you all. Welcome all. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Angel.
School is a place where love resides, where memories were created, and friends were always welcome. Laughter never ends. So to recreate our memories, I request Rakshit to share his views throughout the school journey. Over to you, Rakshit.
Thank you, Angel. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. This is me, Rakshit Dubey here. My poem title is My School Journey. Good afternoon, respected father, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. There are few lines for all of my teachers. जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाएं सब दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं, जीवन जीने का ज्ञान भी सिखाते हैं आप। डियर टीचर, हमें पता है कि उस समय हम गलत और असभ्य थे, लेकिन आप जानते हैं कि हमारा किसी भी तरह से किसी भी टीचर को ठेस पहुंचाने का मतलब नहीं था। हम पूरे 12th बैच की तरफ से आप सभी टीचर्स को सॉरी बोलते हैं। सॉरी टीचर। एक छोटी सी पोयम आप सभी टीचर्स के लिए। ले गए आप स्कूल को उस मुकाम पर, गर्व से उठाए हमारा सर, हम रहे ना रहे कल, याद आएंगे आपके। आज कुछ अलग बात करते हैं। जिंदगी की इस किताब में एक लम्हा वो याद करते हैं। याद है वो पहला दिन जब स्कूल में कदम रखा था, भूलकर दुनिया की टेंशन, बचपन हमने संग रखा था। मेरी पहली टीचर नेहा मैम के साथ में खोला मस्ती का पिटारा था। लीना मैम, नीलेश सर और निशा मैम का ही तो सहारा था। अर्चना मैम और राधिका मैम का डिसिप्लिन सिखाना, खिड़की से बाहर फेंक दूंगी बोलकर स्मिता मैम का डराना। आज हेमंत सर की चुटकी को याद करते हैं। जिंदगी की इस किताब में एक लम्हा वो याद करते हैं। अनुपमा मैम की तीखी सी डांट, प्यार से की ऑल टाइम बात, सोनू ताई का झाड़ू से मारना और प्रिंसिपल मैम का प्यार भरा थपथपाना, नीलेश सर का अरे बेटा बोलकर प्यार से समझाना और सुनीता मैम का एक लगाऊंगी बोलकर डराना। आज निशा मैम की 10th वाली क्लास को याद करते हैं। जिंदगी की इस किताब में एक लम्हा वो याद करते हैं। 206 days are left in your board exam. डेली चैप्टर की इम्पोर्टेंस बताते बताते एग्जाम की डेट में एक दिन कम करके बताना और 12th में लीना मैम का एल्कोहल, फिनॉल एंड ईथर पढ़ाना और हर एक बात पर स्माइल कर जाना। 12th में ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स होने पर आस्था मैम का प्यार से समझाना और रजनी मैम का फोनेटिक्स के फंडे बताना। आज कामिनी मैम, सूची मैम और मनीषा मैम को भी याद करते हैं। जिंदगी की इस किताब में एक लम्हा वो याद करते हैं। गेम्स की पीरियड से जब बच्चे क्लास में आते थे, कड़ाके की ठंड में पंखे के लिए अपने दोस्तों से लड़ जाते थे। बच्चों की रिक्वेस्ट करने पर राधिका मैम का गेम्स में ले जाना और इसी कारण सभी बच्चों की फेवरेट टीचर बन जाना। आज मीना मैम, शीनू मैम और अनुराधा मैम को भी याद करते हैं। जिंदगी की इस किताब में एक लम्हा वो याद करते हैं। नेहा मैम का शक्ति को बायजूस बुलाना और मेघा मैम का लेक्चर के बीच में जीवन जीने की कला सिखाना। Whatever I am today, it's just because my teachers, my friends, my parents, and of course my school. I want to thank each and everyone who can help me in this journey. Even I will thank all of my teachers and friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakshit. You really made us cry and laugh too. Now I request Anshika to share her views through her school journey.
Thank you, Angel. So hello everyone. The title of my poem is Thank You Everyone. Thank you, Father and Principal Ma'am, to find all I can be before I can save myself. You never gave up on me. I have a future because of you. Thank you, Rajni ma'am and Anupama ma'am. Every day, you greet your students with a smile on your face. True, some days are just demanding frustration and destroying peace. Thank you, Shinu ma'am. Each day in the classroom reminds you why we are here, making difference in children's life with whom you are hard to share. Thank you, Leena ma'am. I have learned to count my blessings, never dwelling on the past, and to build a brighter future with the knowledge from your class. Thank you, Nilesh sir. Because of you, I hold fast to tomorrow and treasure each passing day, never taking from granted that which can be taken away. Thank you, Neha ma'am. Because of you, I am so confident today, even if I tried, and you taught me to have the courage to take everything in stride. Thank you, Asta ma'am, for your warm and tender heart and for the opportunity to make a brand new start. Thank you, whole Marthuma School. You are such a wonderful heaven for all it is plain to see. But I just wanted to let you know how much you have meant to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Anshika. It was really a heart-touching poem. Thank you. Thanks a lot. It's time to bid farewell. Good luck. Best wishes for the future venture. बहुत शुक्रिया तुम seniors का. Now it's time to listen what our juniors wants to say. So for the same, I request Utkarsh Patel to lead us for his views. Utkarsh, over to you.
Very good afternoon, dear friends, comrades, and intellectuals. Could you please lend me your ears for a while? I would like to start my speech with a couplet of Kabir ji. कही रहीन संपत्ति सगे, बनत बहुत बहुरीति, वृत्ति कसौटी जय कसे, तेईन सांचे नी. In this couplet, Kabir ji wants to say that if you have money, you have lots of friends. But when you are in trouble, that friend is with you, who is your true friend, and they are what? We are doing our school time. मुझे ये हमेशा याद रहेगा कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ कभी फेयरवेल प्रैक्टिस के बहाना लेकर बंक पे नहीं गया और ना ही ग्रुप स्टडी के नाम पे आईजीआई फोर्टनाइट जैसी गेम भी नहीं खेल पाया. 2011 के बाद से सभी लोग जिंदगी में मिलेगी दोबारा मूवी की तरह अपनी दोस्ती बनाना चाहते थे. तो ग्रुप का एक वो महान आत्मा जो लास्ट मोमेंट पे ट्रिप को कैंसिल कर देता है, उस पर हमेशा गुस्सा आती है और आएगी. बट डोंट माइंड, अगर आपका कभी भी रोड ट्रिप का प्लान बने तो मुझे मत बताना क्योंकि अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे. Now let's put this useless PJs to the side. If you need help anytime, anywhere, just remember, I am sorry. We are always there for you. Your little brother are always ready for your help. My phone number is 8973 with me. Now last but not least, you guys are charm of this school. तो बस इस दुनिया को बता दो कि आप कौन हो. आप वो इंदौरी हो जो सुबह उठने से पहले चाय नहीं मांगता, वो सिर्फ पोहे मांगता है. आप वो हो जो एग्जाम के एक रात पहले पढ़ के पास होने की हिम्मत रखते हो और पास भी हो जाते हो. We are mathemics. We could do everything impossible. हाँ, मैं आखिर में आपको ये बोल के बोर नहीं करूंगा कि आप अपनी जिंदगी में खूब सारे पैसे कमाओ. I just want to tell you guys, just be happy always. हाँ, अगर आप जिंदगी में थोड़े बहुत ज्यादा पैसे कमा लो तो मुझ जैसे गरीब को दे देना, हम कभी बुरा नहीं मानते. Thank you for listening me peacefully.
Thank you, Utkarsh. रुला के मानेगा या हंसा के मानेगा तो अभी भी पक्का नहीं हुआ है, but thanks a lot. Dancing is closest thing to a magic. Dance is to feel good. Dance is to pass the saddest moment in the life. Let's have some entertainment for the same. I request our juniors to lead us for the dance. Don't you think there should be one more performance by juniors? So there is one more dance by our juniors. So I request Utkarsh to share the screen.
हो मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों हाँ क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों हाँ दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीत ते कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके हाँ झुमके कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू सारे अफ्रीका नु छड्ड के बन ठन के कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके हाँ झुमके कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू सारे अफ्रीका नु छड्ड के बंधन के कुड़ी नु नचने दे बड़ी बड़ी बात तेरी छोटी छोटी सोच क्यों है
Thank you. Really appreciable. You all did a great job. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Speak to one another with hymns, some spiritual songs, some emotional, and some funny too. Make music in your heart and get rich with the music. So have a sing with us. So Kulvardhan will be leading us for the singing. Kulvardhan, over to you.
Afternoon, all of you. I am Gurvardhan Rajput, respected father, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I had sung a beautiful old classic song with a pretty twist.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो दे उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर हैं, फिर भी यार दिल के हम अमीर हैं। कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार।
Thank you so much, Kulvardhan. Thank you so much, juniors, for all the sizzling performances. I mean, everything was awesome. आज इन्हीं परफॉर्मेंसेस से मुझे मेरी स्कूल की खट्टी मीठी यादें याद आ गई। वही क्लासरूम, वही बेंचेस, वही लंच और हमारे प्यारे और लवली लवली टीचर्स। And we would be glad if our faculty could come now and encourage our students for their upcoming journey. And for this, I will request our principal ma'am to join and grant us with her inspiring words. Principal ma'am, over to you.
Yes. Okay. Future belongs to those who believes in beauty of their dream. We chill to have all today in this virtual favor. A very glorious and delightful good afternoon to respected Reverend Tom Snenanachan, Vice Chairman of St. Thomas Educational and Welfare Society and Senior Principal of Marthoma Schools, respected teachers, and my dear students. As an educationist, student, parents, we are experiencing huge change and uncertainty at this moment. However, the importance of education remains consistent. We don't know what the future holds or how long school will remain closed, but we can try to shape each day to be positive, creative, exciting, and rewarding. As William Shakespeare reminds us in his quote, our potential is infinite. This past year, we have grown together. You all must have be having good and ordinary memories of the school. Sometimes we teachers scolded you for your mistakes and trust me, all we did was for the sake of your future. You have just completed the first phase of life and there are more to come. Now you have to take the major decision of your life and you not depend to anyone for that. My dear student, we wanted to give you offline farewell, and also that for that we have made the memento to give you. But due to this is the memento. But due to the COVID, it is not possible because health is most important. Our wish for you all is that all see light in world in yourself, believe in yourself, try hard, but know your limits. Fill your heart with laughter and smile often as you all are unique and amazing person. Dream, inspire, believe, wonder, and always listen to elders. As Swami Vivekananda reminds in his quote, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. We all wish you all well for your successful future. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think my eyes are getting names. I really cannot express my emotions for whatever you did for us. And now I would request Nilesh sir to take over.
Afternoon, Father. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you. I want to thank you, all the students for giving me this opportunity. Today we are here to bid you a batch of 2020 and 21. Since uh, because we know that Earth is spherical, so no doubt we are going to meet again. Okay, and I must say, before that meet again, I want you to get something important in your life. I want you to get your target that I wish or I I I must say that I pray that you get your uh, targets as soon as possible. Okay, so I'm not here to share some moments of our school journey, but I'm here to give you some advices which will be very fruitful for your future. Okay, I must say that be the student, or you the student, or we as a teacher. Actually, teachers are also students, they are also learning in their homes, because I assume that I am a lifetime learner. I am a student too. Okay, so my advice to you is that we should strive to be a better version of ourselves. Wherever we are today, we must strive, we must work hard so that we can become a better version of ourselves. Okay, day by day. Besides this, there are some important points that we should keep that in our life, because now you are stepping into a phase of competition, because up to this time you have completed your school education, but now onwards you will step into the college, and after that you will be in a sort of race where you will race to uh, pick a job, where you will race to become a better businessman, where you will race to become a better artist, whatever you want to be. But now onwards the race is started. Okay, you must think that that thing in your mind. Okay, so since we are going stepping into a race, so we should make some rules. Okay, and I guarantee you, if you follow these rules, definitely you will get your goals, and definitely you will be very, very successful in your life. The first rule says that we should stop procrastination. Procrastination means delaying something intentionally. Okay, so if you want to become a better version of yourself, or if you want to get your goal or get your job earlier, then you should stop procrastinating. Okay, try to do everything early. Okay, don't delay anything intentionally. Okay. Second thing that is very very close to my life journey also, because I was unable to do that thing, that encash every opportunity. Whatever opportunity come to you, encash that opportunity every time. Okay, whatever you are opportunity getting some for example, you get a free course, free, somebody is providing you a free course, in case that opportunity, do that course. Okay, so whatever opportunity in life that is coming your way, you must encash that, you can you should accept that. Okay. Third thing, um, in my class times, or when I was taking classes of 11th or 12th, I used to ask some of the students, what is your goal? So even our topper, that Khushbu Bandekar was that time she didn't make her goal. So that is not the way. That is not the way to get. That is not the way to get our goal. First of all, we should make a goal and try to achieve it as soon as possible or at the earliest. Okay, so whatever you are going to do, I must say that before that, before going to do that, you must make a goal and try to achieve that earliest. Okay, there are three rules, and fourth rules is, before doing anything, just ask one question to yourself, that why I am doing so, and what is the consequences or what is the result of that action. Because I strongly don't believe in luck, because I have already told you many times that strong is the consequences, or this is the result of your present action. Whatever you do in the present will come into your future as your luck. Okay, I think that is clear to you. So make sure this thing, that whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing a course, whatever you are playing a games, whatever you are doing, just ask one questions: why I am doing this, how I am going to do this, and what is the result of these all the actions I am doing presently, and how these things are going to benefit me in the future. Okay. Fifth thing, do not waste your time. It means every year or every calendar year must anything important in your life. Okay, so do not, for example, this is 2020 or 2021 are just going. So I won't say that I have not done anything important in my life. I have done something important in life, because I believe that every year we should add something in our life. So that is also a thing that you should also keep in mind, that whatever year is passing, that should add up something very very important to your life. Okay, so okay, these are the 5 rules. So you should follow these rules, and definitely these rules will guarantee that you will become a better version of yourself, or you will get your life, or you will get your goals at the earliest moment. Okay, so with these words, I rest my speech. Some students might be thinking that sir could tell something memorable to our school memories, because I don't want that moments to be memorable, because I believe that the whole life of a student should be memorable to others, because I don't believe that some random moment should be memorable. Your whole life is very very important to the nation and the world, and your whole life should be very very memorable to the other. It should be an example to the others. Okay, so with these things, I thanks for the respect and love you have given to us, and thanks for printing yourself in the chapter of our teacher's life with the indelible rings. Okay, so thanks to all. My best wishes for your futures. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I definitely know that this rules will really help us achieving our goals. And now I would request Anupama ma'am to take over.
सम्मानीय वरिष्ठ प्राचार्य महोदय, प्राचार्य महोदया, एवं सभी सम्मानीय सदस्य, नमस्कार। प्यारे बच्चों, बीते एक वर्ष से कोरोना महामारी के कारण आप सबको विद्यालय में आमने सामने नहीं पढ़ा पाए, पर नई तरकीबें भी सीखकर वर्चुअल क्लासेस द्वारा आपको विद्यालय के हर शिक्षक ने पढ़ाने की कोशिश की और आप लोगों को घर पर बैठकर पढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल था, पर आप सभी ने बहुत सफल प्रयास किए और इसके लिए हमें आप सभी पर गर्व है। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपके घर में सभी स्वस्थ होंगे। यह समय कठिन है, पर यह भी जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा। बच्चों, आपको पता है रात के बाद सूरज का उगना तय है। आप सभी धैर्य रखें, यह कठिन समय भी निकल जाएगा। आप सबको मालूम है कि आज हम यहाँ पर 12वीं कक्षा के विद्यार्थियों के विदाई समारोह के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। बच्चों, विद्यालय जीवन आप सबके जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव होता है। अनार से प्रेमचंद की कहानियों तक, ABCD से रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की पोयम तक, 1 2 3 से दिमाग का रस चूस लेने वाले कठिन सवालों तक आप कब पहुंच गए पता ही नहीं चला। बस यही नहीं, विद्यालय जीवन में आप सबको जीवन के अनमोल रत्न जैसे दोस्त भी मिलते हैं जो आपका जीवन भर साथ निभाते हैं। आप आज ये विद्यालय भले ही छोड़कर जा रहे हैं, पर जो ज्ञान और दोस्त आपने पाए हैं वो आपके साथ जीवन के अंत तक रहेंगे। बच्चों, यह स्कूली पड़ाव समाप्त हुआ है, इसके दुख मत मनाओ, बल्कि यह पड़ाव पूरा हुआ है, इसके लिए जश्न मनाओ। यह सत्य है कि हर वो चीज जिसका आरंभ होता है उसका एक अंत होता ही है और एक अंत एक आरंभ को जन्म देता है। आज से आपका एक नया जीवन शुरू होगा। आप सभी से मेरा यही कहना है कि आप इस सफर पर दृढ़ता व निष्ठा के साथ चलें। मंजिल मिले या ना मिले, पर अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के सफर में आप बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे। यदि इस सफर में शिक्षकों व माता पिता द्वारा सिखाए जाने वाले उस श्रम, धैर्य, मार्गदर्शन, अनुशासन, उनके ज्ञान को यदि आप अपने जीवन में उतार लेते हैं तो आपके जीवन में असंभव कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि आपका पथ प्रशस्त हो, आप अपना लक्ष्य प्राप्त करें, आपकी उन्नति की गति अबाध रहे, आप अपने माता पिता के सपनों को साकार करें, इस समाज की उन्नति के लिए जो योगदान कर सके उसमें अपना साथ दें, अपने परिवार का हर मुश्किल घड़ी में साथ दें और सदा खुश रहें। सबसे अंत में चाणक्य की 2 लाइन कहकर अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगी। विद्या ही निर्धन का धन होता है और यह वह साधन है जिसे कभी चुराया नहीं जा सकता और इसे बांटने पर हमेशा बढ़ता ही है। ढेरों शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं विराम लेती हूँ। आप सब सदा खुश रहें, प्रसन्न रहें और उन्नति करते रहें, कभी पीछे ना हटे। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम। आपके दिए गए प्यार के लिए अगर हम आपको जीवन भर भी शुक्रिया अदा करें तो शायद वो कम होगा, पर हम आपसे एक वादा कर सकते हैं, हम जीवन में पूरी कोशिश करेंगे अच्छा बनने की और आपका नाम हमेशा रोशन करेंगे। एंड नाउ आई would request Astha ma'am to take over. Astha ma'am.
A very good afternoon to everyone. A good afternoon to all the delegate members who are present here and to all the dear students and respected teachers. Farewell is an amazing day which evokes mixed feeling. It is a mixture of sadness and happiness. For us, the teachers, also it is the same. We are happy and proud to see you progress in your lives, and sad as our beloved students whom we nurtured are going to leave us. Especially the last academic year was difficult and special in many ways. All of us saw the pandemic. We learned new technologies, learned to face our fears, learned to take challenges. This year was an amalgam of offline and online education, which was a new mode of learning. I'm sure all of you will incorporate these learnings in your upcoming lives and will learn to face challenges with your head high. I wish you all a very successful life ahead. Thank you for this virtual program and gave us a chance to see you and hear you once again. And thank you to each and every student for your kind words, for your respect. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You really give a true definition of happiness to us. It was all fabulous. I would really thank every teacher for giving a new perspective, for living our life to the fullest. And now, Angel, over to you.
Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean we will miss you till we meet again. So to bid us for the farewell, I request our junior Vedika Jaiswal to share her views with us. Vedika, over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
One of the hardest things to say in life is hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. A very good afternoon to respected father, principal ma'am, teachers, my dear friends, and of course, our dashing and gorgeous looking guest for the day, our seniors. Speaking on this occasion on behalf of class +1 student is indeed a great opportunity. The time is not only tough for our seniors who will be discontinued from daily routine coming to school, but also a sad moment for us because we are getting separated from our seniors. But at the same time, we are happy for our seniors who had completed their school journey successfully and going to start their college life now. I admit it is hard to bid you goodbye because it means we won't be able to meet you as a friend. You all are very hardworking, kind-hearted, supportive, and intellectually awesome. We spend together very much time by playing different games in playground. Our seniors have been adventurous everything. They guided us not only about studies but also about life. My dear seniors, today you are taking off from school life and entering a new world where you will face many situations. Take a stand against anything going wrong around you and prove yourself. There is no doubt in your success. At last, things add but memories stay forever. We all wish you a happy life for great accomplishment. Thank you. This was Vedika Chatwal.
Thank you, Vedika.
Thank you, Vedika. Now, I would request Vanshika to take over.
Thank you, Didi. A very good afternoon to all of you respected father, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Vanshika Sharma from class 11th. Today, I'm going to present a song for my friends and our special seniors. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे खाना पीना साथ है मरना जीना साथ है खाना पीना साथ है मरना जीना साथ है सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर ना छोड़ेंगे लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर हम मगर देखो दो नहीं हो जुदा या खफा खुदा है दुआ ऐसा हो नहीं जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मनी, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vanshika. I think our junior batch is the best junior batch in this world, whole world. Thank you so much.
Anshika,
Yes, Angel.
everything will be missed, right?
Yeah, really. क्या तुम्हें याद रहेगा सब कुछ?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, ऐसे कैसे भूल पाऊंगी. तुम्हारा टीचर से डांट खाना और फिर टिफिन छीन कर खाना और मेरा भूखा रह जाना, तुम्हारा स्कूल में इरेगुलर आना, कॉपीज सारी मुझसे कंप्लीट कराना, तुम्हारा सबसे झगड़ा करना और फिर मेरा समझाना, तुम्हारा बंक पर जाने के लिए मुझ जैसी मासूम बच्चे को अपने ग्रुप में ऐड कर लेना, सब कुछ याद रहेगा, कुछ भी नहीं भूल पाऊंगी.
तुम बहुत पीछे थी एंजल. तुम्हारा फिजिक्स में ना पढ़ कर आना, फिर मुझसे चिट्स बनवाना, तुम्हारा मेरे बैग से बेंच साफ करना, फिर हम दोनों में मारपीट हो जाना, तुम्हारा पनिशमेंट खाना, मेरा पीछे पीछे आ जाना, बिना बात के एक दूसरे को देख के हंसते ही जाना, फिर एकदम से होमवर्क याद आने पे दोनों का टेंशन में आना, तुम्हारा मेरी किताब पे ड्राइंग बनाना और फिर देखते ही देखते हमारी पूरी किताबों का कबाड़ हो जाना. कुछ भी नहीं भूल पाएंगे, कुछ भी नहीं. I cannot say to those whom I have grown to love, but for the memories we have made together will last a lifetime and never ever know a goodbye.
वो मेमोरीज भी क्या थी. ये तो पक्का है कि हम में से कोई ये सारी मेमोरीज नहीं भूल पाएंगे. तो क्यों ना इसी मेमोरीज के बहाने गाना हो जाए.
बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं.
So to recreate our memories, I request Vaibhav Dodia to lead us for the song. Over to you, Vaibhav.
Thank you, Angel. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to present my farewell song for all my lovely friends.
मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है, कभी दूर तू न जाए, मेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी ना आए, तेरे संग जीना यहाँ, तेरे संग मर जाना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा हो न हो. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा हो न हो. है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा. तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता, दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. This song reminds me of my entire journey in the school. I remembered myself entering here as a shy, docile girl, and today I am here as a confident and self-reliant girl, ready to start a new journey because of our lovely principal, ma'am. This heaven has given me several memories, many true friends, and lessons for life. The teachers have been very cooperative, especially our principal ma'am, come our teacher, mother. हमेशा डंडा रखा साथ में पर कभी मारा नहीं. Her true devotion for every Marcomian really aspires me to be like her. And ma'am, शायद मैं कभी आपसे कह नहीं पाई, पर आपने हमेशा मेरी बहुत कमियों को छुपाया, बहुत, और हमेशा मेरी खूबियों को ही देखा. And the support which I have got from you is really true. And you are just a true mother for all of us, and I'll always and always be grateful to you. You always encouraged us and brought opportunities to explore our talent. I remembered all the academic and unacademic activities that helped us grooming ourselves. Still, teachers, principal ma'am, and father, अगर हमसे जाने अनजाने में कभी आपको दुख पहुंच गया हो, तो प्लीज उसे बच्चा समझकर माफ कर दीजिएगा. School has a special place in my heart and will be missed always. इसी दोस्ती के नाम एक मेमोरेबल वीडियो हो जाए, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओवर टू यू उत्कर्ष.
हर आसमां से ऊंची है, समंदरों से गहरी, ऐसी वैसी दोस्ती नहीं, ये नंबर वन यारी है, ये नंबर वन यारी है, ये नंबर वन यारी है. मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है, कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिल कभी न आए. तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा. मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है, कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिल कभी न आए. छाँव में धूप I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. आजा लड़े फिर खिलौनों के लिए, तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं। आजा करें फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं। मीठी सी वो गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा, किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा। मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा। ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। ओ किससे कम दी नहीं है महंगी कार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। तेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार, सुन मेरे यार। तेरा गम मेरा गम, मेरी जान तेरी जान, ऐसा अपना प्यार जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। सबसे दुश्मन ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
Let others do whatever they want, but dear all friends, let us prove them that we are the true Marthumians. And now, we request your Honorable Senior Principal, Reverend Tom Snaina, to address the gathering to give their valuable inputs to our students who are aspiring to be like you, sir. So, over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed teachers, dear students, and very, very special outgoing batch of 2021. There is a famous saying, we can't change the people, but we can make them feel the need for change. One more academic session is drawn close, and we here in this function to release one more flock of birds with multi-hood feathers into the vast world of competition, career, and family life, and so on. This special group of young girls and boys who, after spending their minimum 2 to 14 years here, are waiting with indignation and anxiety to leave the portals of the school and step into a new world. I am indeed honored to get this opportunity to be among you. Dear students, Of course, it is a painful to bid farewell to our beloved students who spent their many years in this campus. Many of you had joined us as a little kids. Now you have all grown up and leaving this campus for higher achievements. You all have gained much knowledge during your education here. We, the teachers, were here to give you not only the knowledge, but to train you and prepare you as good citizens. We all have put our full energy to train and develop you. During your life in the school, we believe we have given you the necessary tools, academic, moral, and spiritual, for this very challenging task. We will watch and pray that you use these tools efficiently and effectively in your life ahead. Remember, when you struggle, it is the struggle itself that will make you nobler and your life more meaningful. God upsets our plan only to set up his plans for us, because we see our present and plan for our future. But he sees our future and plans our present. Be sure of our interest and support always. Sometimes we might have punished you in order to get good outcome from you. As you all move out from here, let's not forget the good days and memorable times you had here. As you leave the four walls of this school, this community and family, it's only proper that as your school, your father, your big brother and friend, we should give you a farewell message that you must take with you when you leave to face the world as our ambassadors. While you were here, you learned so many things from everyone within this community, and your lives have been affected and touched by all that you imbibed from being students of Marthoma Public School. Learn to be yourself always, no matter the circumstances, the principled and worthy of trust. According to the Chinese philosopher Confucius, it's only when the leader is truly a leader, when the lawyer is truly a lawyer, when the doctor is truly a doctor, when the soldier is truly a soldier, when a teacher is truly a teacher, when the husband is truly a husband, when the wife is truly a wife, and the child is truly a child, it's only then our society can be restored. Though I am new to you, I heard much about you from our principal. I take this time to extend my gratitude to Reverend Father Josie Joseph and Shinu Ma'am, who worked tirelessly for you all, and to all the teachers who helped you thus far. Hope this year, without exams, you all passed. Thank Corona. Before I conclude, I would like to share 2 lines with you. The future lies before you like a hidden mass of snow. Be careful how you tread on it, for every mark will show. May you all fare well in your career. May you accomplish all those dreams you aspire for yourself. May God bless you with all the strength to groom yourself into better humans. Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream. We are gonna miss you a lot. Wishing you luck as we bid you goodbye. May God immensely bless you all. Love you all. May the Almighty bless in you, bless in your future endeavors at you students. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. Thank you for your inspiring words. Music replays the past memories, awakens at the forgotten world, and make our minds travel. So, to give us with a musical treat, I request Khushi Koshle to take over. Khushi, over to you.
I am visible.
Yes, you are.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Thank you. Over to you, Angel.
As we are at the end of a meeting, gratitude is the memory of the heart. Now it's time to propose a vote of thanks. I request Leena ma'am to take over. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Senior Principal, Reverend Tom Snynans, Principal Mrs. Sheenu Thomas, teachers, and dear students. On behalf of Marthoma Public School, I am very grateful to Reverend Tom Snynans, Senior Principal, for joining this program and his inspiring words for the outgoing batch. Thanks a lot, Father. My deep regards and thanks to Principal Mrs. Sheenu Thomas for her unlimited support, guidance, and motivation. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to thank teachers for supporting us. Now, my special thanks and appreciation goes to Rakshit Dubey, Angel Thomas, Anshika Upadhyay, and Utkarsh Pathak. Really, they did hard work for this program. And dear student, there is no doubt that this dedication will take you new heights in life. May God bless you. And thank you very much for giving me love and respect. I would also like to appreciate students of 11th class, Kulvardhan, Vanshika Sharma, Vedika Jaiswal, Kashish Amle, Sakshi Divedi, Mahansi, Vaibhav Dodia. Your effort made this program memorable. Now, I conclude my speech with these few lines for my dear 12th class students. हर दिन अपनी जिंदगी को एक नया ख्वाब तो दो. हर दिन अपनी जिंदगी को एक नया ख्वाब तो दो. चाहे पूरा न हो पर आवाज तो दो. एक दिन पूरे हो जाएंगे सारे ख्वाब तुम्हारे. सिर्फ कोशिश करने की एक नई शुरुआत तो दो. So all the very best for your new beginning. Thank you very much for joining us once again, and all the very best for your future and career. And take care of your health and stay safe at your home. Thank you once again to all for joining this program.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
पर्वत बहुत है, हिमालय से कहा, देश बहुत है, कहा, स्कूल तो बहुत है, पर अपने प्रिय मार्थुमा जैसा कहा. Really going to miss all of our teachers, all my colleagues. Let's all promise that farewell day is not the last day, is not last day for all of us. That we are going to see each other anytime. Let's promise that we are going to be in touch with each other. Our tag will be ex-Marthumians. So, हम सबको ये tag लेके घूमना है. We are ex-Marthumians. All the best for your future venture. May God bless us throughout the future life. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining.
Wait.
Thank you.
I have one more beautiful video I would like to present you all. So can I?
Bilkul, you can go for it.
Yes, Utkar.
Actually, it was a surprise for all the teachers.
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ. आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की. डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी.
Thank you so much, teachers, for being there for us, all of us, for each and every Marthum.
Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for all your love and respect. Okay, I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you once again, and God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.